Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. So, as you can see, we are heading towards our break even after a lot of losses. Just imagine, after a lot of losses, and now we are pushing back to our break even. I pray that this March is going to be a profitable month. I pray that this March that we are is going to be a very profitable month. And if this March very profitable, we might be able to pass this proprietary firm this March. Because I've had a lot of experience, January, February, having a lot of experience. And you know what they said now? Normally, all these forex traders in our YouTube will be saying that it's 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2. Bro, if you stay 1 is to 2, you will see that you will pass the pro firm, you pass it, but you see that it will take you like 2 years before you be able to pass that pro firm for 1 is to 2. So anytime you are trying to take a trade, actually aim for 1 is to 4. Maximum 1 is to 4. And that's what I'm aiming now. And if you see, this is my trade, you can see that I'm on profit of $8. So let me just show you my P&L. So this is the P&L now. So I'm recovering all my losses back. I'm recovering it back, and we are going for break even, back to $2,000. It has been a stressful 2 months. It has been a stressful 2 months, guys. Stressful 2 months. It has been a very stressful 2 months. Having losses back to back. Having losses back to back, you don't know what you will do. But now, we are seeing that we are gaining all our losses back, and we are going back to break even. And I pray that we will not fall below this. We will not fall below this. Actually, now I've strengthened my strategy into that I am aiming for 1 is to 4. So before I usually used to aim for 1 is to 2. But the truth is that once you aim for 1 is to 2, I mean, you might even lose that account because you're not a computer and you're not a machine that you'll be aiming for 1 is to 2. I mean, no trader should be thinking for 1 is to 2. If you are going for proprietary, if you are going for trading, try to aim for 1 is to 4. You can tighten your stop loss very well. That's what I usually do. I usually tighten my stop loss very well, then I aim for 1 is to 4. That is what I'm urging every forex trader to do. I've been on this pro firm for 2 months, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2. Nothing is going anywhere. I'm just like that intermediate person. But when I started going for 1 is to 4, saw my accounts pushing higher. I saw my accounts having profits every day, every time. So that is how any profitable trader will actually trade. 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4. And I pray that this March is going to be a profitable month for us. That's what I'm praying for. That's what I'm praying for. Because me doing trading, it's just like there is much load in my body, there's much load in my head, and I'm putting all this, I'm risking my life in this trading. Although that I'm doing content creation, so content creation can help in a long way, run. So that is it for me to you guys. Maybe later on I'll just settle down and just show you guys my strategy and how I do enter my strategy. You will see when I do lose, I was losing. I have like 8 losses, eight strike on my losses. I have like 8 strike on my losses before I now gain all this profit back, and we're now going on what? The break even. And I pray that this break even will not go down again. We won't go down again. And it's if we want to go down, maybe little down, and we'll be pushing up. Because now it's 1 is to 4, guys. It's 1 is to 4. It's not something that I'll be entering 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2. It's not that again. And throughout these 2 months, what I've seen that this trading has done to me, it has messed up my psychological. In fact, would I call it psychological or mental health? Because sometimes when you be thinking that the trade will actually give you a good liquidity, you will see that that trade will just like keep consolidating on a specific zone, and that thing can mess up your mental health for a long range. It will just mess up your mental health for a long range. You just be on that zone, it will just be consolidating, and it will just be messing up your mental health. And you think that thing is going for buy, you don't know that that trade is going for sell. I mean, I've learned a lot from these 2 months I've spent on trading, January and February. So now that we're on March, I mean, the game of trade is going to change. It's going to change for the better. I'm going to change for the best. That's what I'm hoping for, and that's what I'm praying for. That's what I'm praying for. So this is my P and L for today. You can see we are still on $9 profits. Actually, I was aiming for $20. I was aiming for $20, but I did not calculate my. So this is it here. You can see this is my buy, and it's actually going to my take profit. By the grace of God, it's going to hit that take profit. And maybe if you hit that take profit, you'll be having like $15. You'll be having $15 if you hit that take profit zone. I don't know what happened. Today is Monday. I'm not even expected to trade on Monday, but I just came on Monday and I saw trading moving well. I was so even surprised. I was surprised about it. And when you see an opportunity in the market, oh boy, you don't miss that opportunity. Start staking. Actually, I was thinking that GPP JPY here is going to go for a loss. I was thinking that it's going to go for a sell. Sorry, I was thinking that GPP JPY is going to go for a sell at this range here. You can see this double top 1 and 2. So I think that it's going to break here and go for a sell. But eventually, thing just started pushing for a buy. For a buy. All these things is because of Monday. That is why it's not advisable for you to trade forex pairs on Monday. But when you see a very good trade, oh boy, stack and better loss size. Stack and better loss size, guys, because you might not see this kind of opportunity again in the market. So that is just what happened today. And I was so blessed to like see this kind of trade, and I entered into it. And now I'm reaping from the benefit. I'm reaping from it. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. So that is it. So let me go back. Mm, so this is my current trade that is running now. Just let me show you guys. So if you see today, I took like 2 trades today. This is the first GPJPO that I took. I thought it was going for sell. So it cost me a loss of $2.74. $2.74. Then this is my GPP USD, and I had a profit of 3.58. I could have stacked more on this GPP USD because I think it went for 1:2 or it went for 1:3. So and I thought that the price is going to be very high. The loss size is going to be very high. That's why I did not stack more. I just stack with only 0.01 volume. But eventually, this loss size was very low, and it just gave me a very low profit. So let's watch on the GPP JPY, and let's see what we can benefit from this particular trade. I'm hoping for the best on the GPP JPY. I'm hoping for the best on the GPP JPY. I'm definitely hoping for the best. So that is forex for you, and that is trading for you. Forex is all about investment. It's not where you are having monthly income or daily income. It's all about you are investing. That is trading generally for you. So if you are coming across this video for the first time, or you have seen my video a lot of times and have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and just help me out to like all these videos. It will help me a lot. Thank you, guys.